Now, is he going to walk through the water here? Or is he going to drink again? He's going to come right up to us to have a drink. He's thinking, how do I get over here? There's more water here than there was last time I here. This is a path. Is he going to walk through the water? No. No, if he does, I'm going to be very surprised. They don't like getting their feet wet. He might do a hop, skip and a jump. Are you ready for it? No, he's not brave enough. Oh, but I want to. I really want to. And I'm going to go. You ridiculous fellow, you, hey?
I'd want to go and do the same on the same spot.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm telling you. Look at that. Like an absolute beach.
It's a dog pile. Yeah, that's about 2,000 pounds of cat.
Well, here comes another one.
It looks like it's also have a little bit of a lift on his hind leg.